Hello and welcome back to Budget Smartphone Review. Today I'm going to review this new Samsung Galaxy Core Prime. I've already unboxed this handset and I'm doing it again for you all to see the box contents. It says it has 500 MB data offer for Aircel and Tata Docomo customers for 6 months. It doesn't have much specifications in the box, but it says it has 5 megapixels back cam, which is autofocus, and 2 megapixels front cam. It has quad core processor, which is 1.2 gigahertz. It has 3G, GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and also it has 114.2 millimeter WVGA TFT display. It supports 14 Indian languages, which includes Hindi. Let's now see what is inside the box. This handset is white in color. We will look at it a little later. It has service center list, user guide, etc. USB cable for data syncing and charging. These are not in-ear headset, but just a standard headset with a button. And we will have the very good quality charger. Let's now look at the handset. The build quality is excellent. This looks almost like Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime. It has 5 megapixels cam on the back with a single LED flash, but this flashlight is very effective. I have tested this and I would be uploading the video on YouTube on my channel. Here is the speaker. Here is the brand name. On the bottom we will have the mic and the port for data syncing and charging. On the right we will have the power button. On the left we will have the volume buttons. On the bottom we will have the home button, back button, and recent apps button. We will have the 2 megapixels front cam, and on the top we will have the 3.5 mm audio jack for audio jack. Let's open the back panel. This is a very good quality back panel. It supports 2 micro SIMs and a micro SD card of 64 GB capacity, and it has 2000 mAh battery. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I would be uploading the full review for this handset on my channel on YouTube. Thank you for watching.